That came out of an oven. What we love about chicken wings is that they are super crunchy, so full of flavor. Of course, frying them in oil is effective and delicious, but it creates a huge mess. So the solution today, oven plus a secret ingredient. Baking powder. You already have it in your pantry. Pull it out for this recipe and the crispiest wings ever. It's definitely gonna be more cost effective to buy whole wings from the store. We're gonna separate what's known as the drumette and what we call the flats. They're super easy to do. I just like to kind of get a head start by running my knife in between the skin, and you just run your knife right through. Same thing with the tip. Pop it a little bit, and then just slide your knife right through the open space. We discard the tip for this, and we're left with our drumette and our flat. Which piece is your favorite? In my family, it works out. I'm a flats person and my husband is a drumette. My kids love the drumette, so extra flats for me. Once your wings are ready to go, now comes the magic part. To get the crispiest wings, I mean, nobody likes a soggy wing. You wanna be sure the skin is dry. Then we're gonna give them a toss with our baking powder and a little bit of salt. So I've got my salt. To that, I'm gonna add in about 2 tablespoons of baking powder. It's a little more than 1 teaspoon per pound of wings that I'm using. I've got about 5 pounds of wings here. I'm gonna add in a little garlic powder, give our seasoning a stir, and then just give them a toss. You just wanna make sure they're all evenly coated. It does not take long for the chicken skin to absorb that baking powder. Okay, and now we are going to arrange them in a single layer on your baking sheet. We'll cook these at 425 for about 45 to 50 minutes. You're gonna wanna flip them halfway through just so they get evenly brown and crispy on all sides. It's only been about 10 minutes and you can already see the browning happening. I mean, they look fried. The best oven fried chicken wings. Y'all, there's no way you would know that these came out of an oven and not a fryer. What we love about the fried wings is that they get those little bubbles under the skin. That came out of an oven. And as promised, the no baking powder comparison. So let's sauce them up. You can't go wrong with buffalo, especially if it's game day. You can find the recipes for the sauces at allrecipes.com. I'm just gonna plate it up just like they do in the restaurant. It's just like, how do you get saucy and crunchy at the same time? Let's go on in. It's good. Crispy on the outside and then fall off the bone tender on the inside. Doesn't get any better. If you want another option to serve your guests that's not the classic buffalo, we've got a great hoisin halftime wing. It's delicious. This gives you that kind of Asian flair, a little sweet, salty, spicy. Make the sauce, toss it over. Eating wings is just fun. So it's just fun food. You can't worry about being too proper. I have a friend that eats wings with a fork. Bless her heart. These are so pretty. The glaze is nice and sticky. A little green onion on top to make them pretty. I hope you'll be serving up some crispy wings at your football party or heck, any time of year. I love hearing from you and I would love to know what you want me to teach you how to make next. Otherwise, I'm just winging it.